All right, I'm here. Let's see what we can get into. There you got some chicken over here. I want a beef tongue. Tell you, have a great selection here. Season or no season. Oh, whole chicken right there. All the whole chickens. Got more on that cart. More food. Here's their selection of packaged, what they say, fajitas of chicken, beef, already wrapped up and seasoned. This is HEB's way of doing it, their way of fajitas. Even though, some people don't consider this fajitas, but that's just how they do it here. They're good though. I've eaten them. I've featured them on my videos as well. All right. That's what I'm gonna go for here. This pork loin, style ribs. They're just cut up, just the strips. So I'm gonna go with this right here. Got some steaks right here. Now I gotta cook me one of these. The rib roast center cut pork loin. Be tasty. Got the brisket jalapeno poppers. And here they already have all the queso already mixed. If you don't want to do it yourself, it's already pre-packaged and ready to go. $42. 7-pound brisket, $5.49 a pound. I'm assuming this is a select. So you buying that or what? Not much of a selection of briskets right now. You see they are already getting it already. Putting them all in there. All the food, from briskets to ribs, all those packages right there. Oh yeah, here you go. We got some ribs right here, pork belly, the sliced. You on the move for some turkey? Got plenty of it. Alright, let's check out what they got. Y'all know I gotta always come through here. Here we got singles. Another selection here in this aisle. But this is what I was looking for. His American Lager. Steve Austin's, and there's his IPA. I really enjoy this beer right here. Alright, I'm back right here. I really don't see too much, but there's one that I see in the back. Presidente. I really enjoy this beer right here. It's another one. This is a pretty good beer right here. We got some Weber kettles right here. Alright, let's see what they got here in the charcoal wood section. Where y'all prices at? Where y'all located for bags of wood at y'all's local grocery stores? If it's HEB or Costco or anywhere that you get your wood or charcoal at. Pellets, wood chunks. B&B pecan. How much that goes for? Original. Pellets. Franklin's, which I've used in my video. Pretty good briquettes right there. B&B. $6.98 for 8.85 pounds. This is HEB's charcoal, their instant light. Royal Oak, 14 pounds for $10. 50% bigger. Y'all use that? Any good? I don't think I've ever used it. Some accessories, butcher paper. There it goes. Y'all wanna some drunken chicken. The jalapeno poppers right there. Look at that. There it is. That's what you need when you got something big on your grill or smoker. Yeah. Alright, well, this is gonna be it. I'm ready to head out, and later on I'm gonna be cooking. So yeah, I'm ready. Got the snacks right there for the kid. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time.